Good day, Mathenics. This time I will show you on how to solve a complex fractions. But before that, let us know first what is reciprocal. When we say reciprocal, it is simply defined as the inverse of a value or a number. Example, what is the reciprocal of 3 over 5? Para makuha natin ang reciprocal ni 3 over 5, babaliktarin mo lang sila. Yung denominator, magiging numerator. Yung numerator naman, magiging denominator. So, the reciprocal of 3 over 5 is 5 over 3. Now, what is complex fraction? Complex fraction is a fraction that contains one or more fractions in either the numerator or denominator or both. Example, 3 over 5 over 2 over 7. Yung yellow line dyan, that is called the main fraction bar. Kung napapansin nyo, yung numerator is in a fraction form, yung si 3 over 5. At yung denominator is also in a fraction form, which is the 2 over 7. This is the example of a complex fraction na ang numerator at denominator are all in a fraction form. Pwede din naman yung numerator lang in a fraction form at yung denominator ay hindi in a fraction form. Pwede din yung denominator lang ang naka-fraction form at yung numerator ay hindi naka-fraction form. Now, let me give you an example on how to solve a complex fraction. Example, 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 7. Just copy the numerator or the main numerator, which is the 3 over 5. Then, get the reciprocal of the denominator, 2 over 7. What is the reciprocal of 2 over 7? Very good. The reciprocal of 2 over 7 is 7 over 2. Binaliktad mo lang yung 2 over 7 at nagiging 7 over 2. Then, the reciprocal of our denominator, i-multiply mo lang siya sa main numerator natin na 3 over 5. Now, 3 times 7, that is equal to 21. And 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. So, the answer for 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 7 is equal to 21 over 10. Another example. 2 over 5 divided by 6 over 8. Now again, just copy the numerator 2 over 5. And then, get the reciprocal of the denominator 6 over 8. What is the reciprocal of 6 over 8? Very good. The reciprocal of 6 over 8 is 8 over 6. Binaliktad lang natin yung 6 over 8 at naging 8 over 6. Now, yung reciprocal ng denominator natin, i-multiply natin to sa main numerator natin na 2 over 5. Now, 2 times 8, that is equal to 16. And 5 times 6, that is equal to 30. And this is not yet the final answer. Because 16 and 30, pwede pa silang ma-divide sa 2, which is the GCF. Now, let us divide them sa 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 8. And 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 15. And the answer for our complex fraction 2 over 5 divided by 6 over 8 is equal to 8 over 15.